Charles! 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 Do you want to be in the video?
Do I want to be in it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
I answered for you.
Okay.
Why is his head so, like...
Loose?
Yeah. So, your house is, like, really small.
Yes. I live in it.
Destiny! Wait, what's your dog's name?
Sasha.
Sasha! You look so adorable! You look so adorable! You look so adorable! Ah! Why are there socks?
I don't know.
Look, I'm a hipster. Don't lick the laptop. Stop it!
Sit.
I have
Sit.
to go on Facebook. Why can't I open this? Who are those guys? Stop licking my knee. We're not centered at all. How did the camera move? Why is the exposure so messed up? Why am I blue? Off TV.
So I'm done.
Ooh. She's like, whoa, I'm gonna get you.
Yeah, see.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Stop it. I don't want to
Sit.
go on the internet.
Sit. Good girl.
Whose laptop is this?
It's mine.
It's yours.
Kind of. I use it.
I don't know what to talk about.
You're so happy.
Entertain them. I'll be right back.
Enter
Tell them a story.
Tell them a story. I don't have a story. You're free. Never mind, you come back.
I couldn't find it.
Oh gosh.
Oh no! Oh
Sasha.
no! I grabbed two of the same glove. I have two right hands.
Calm down.
Stop it! Stop it!
Stop. 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 What are you doing? Calm down.
You are
Calm down.
insane! You're making my video very interesting. Thank you.
Sit. You're crazy. You're crazy. Yes, you. Oh my gosh. What is she doing?
I don't know. I don't enjoy this very much. No! Where's your wife?
Yeah.
Ew!
She's slobbering on you.
That's icky. I got you. I got out. Sasha, guess what? Guess what? Ow! That's a toy.
Hey.
That's a toy.
Hey, get off. Off. Look.
Not as cool as the gloves.
What are you doing? Get
Maybe if I do it.
Don't throw it on the couch.
Stop it! Let me sit down! Let me sit down! What are you doing?
She's a puppy. She thinks every day is play day.
Every day is play day! I got you! I got you! I got you! I got you! Ew. And ow, also.
Sasha.
Can I sit down, please?
Calm.
No! No!
Calm.
No!
Calm.
No!
She
No!
knows what to do.
No!
Oh my gosh, she's going after your head.
Sasha! Sasha!
She's going to nip at your head.
Sasha! Hello. It's going to eat us. You know what it looks like? It looks like, you remember the Brave Little Toaster?
Oh yeah, that thing.
It's the guy.
That's the guy. I don't remember.
Kom here. Sasha. Sasha. Say hello. No.
Don't jump.
Say hello. You look like a kangaroo. I don't look like a kangaroo. What are you doing?
That's her getting overexcited.
Huh?
You got an itch on your leg? You just kicked the computer.
No.
Oh. Just lie to me.
No.
Yeah.
I got a text message, Sasha. Answer the phone. Answer the phone. Ow. She does not like the phone. Answer the phone. No, I don't like it. I don't want to talk to him. Hello?
She
Yes?
wants to fight us.
This
What she
is
wants
dog.
to do.
This is Sasha. So, I had absolutely no idea what I was going to talk about in this video.
Gosh,
And I think you did a very good job of making this a very interesting video.
Stay. Stay.
You did a very good job. Okay. Oh, goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye, Sasha.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Best vlog ever.
Dog freaking out with the gloves.
Best vlog ever.